Hello friends, welcome to my channel SolidWorks tutorial. Today we gonna solve the exercise number 63. This SolidWorks 2020 video tutorial is for my beginners friends. In today's SolidWorks video tutorial, I will teach you part modeling. Hope you will stay connected with us and continue learning SolidWorks modeling. Today I will teach you the use of various SolidWorks tools like Line Command, Smart Dimension, Extrude Command, Extrude Cut Command, Circle Command, and Offset Command. We will use 3 sketches, 1 Extrude and 2 Extrude Cut commands for completing this SolidWorks 2020 tutorial. First, we gonna sketch the front view, and extrude. Then we will do another 2 sketches and Extrude Cut for completing today's part. Hope you will enjoy and stay with us throughout the tutorial and become a SolidWorks 2020 Pro designer.
Let's start. Click on the new part.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, right-click, and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material. Left-click on front plane and choose Sketch.
Now take the line command.
Height is 50 millimeters. Distance is 50 millimeters. Control select these 2 lines and make equal.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Take Fillet command. Fillet radius is 20 millimeters.
Press OK.
Distance is 30 millimeters. Press Ctrl+8.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Distance is 30 millimeters.
Press OK. The sketch is fully defined.
Now take Offset Entities command. Offset distance is 10 millimeters. Select Cap Ends, select Line.
Press OK. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Reverse direction. Distance is 40 millimeters.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select Isometric View. Now we will use colors. Select this color.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select Isometric View. Left-click on this surface and select Sketch.
Now take Circle command. Now select Smart Dimension.
Radius is 20 millimeters.
Press OK.
Hold on Control button and select the line and circle and choose Tangent Relationship.
Now take the line command.
Delete. Make coincident. Make them horizontal.
Now take trim entities command. Press OK.
The sketch is overdefined. Double-click on the red color word overdefined.
Press OK.
From featured menu select Extrude Cut command, select these areas for Extrude Cut. Select up to next.
Press OK.
Left-click on this surface and select Sketch.
Now take circle command.
Radius is 20 millimeters.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Radius is 10 millimeters.
Press OK.
Hold on Control button and select the line and circle and choose tangent relationship. Make them tangent.
The sketch is fully defined. Now take the line command.
Make them tangent.
The sketch is fully defined. Now take trim entities command.
From featured menu select Extrude Cut command, select these areas for Extrude Cut. Select up to next.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view.
Congratulations.
This is the part which we were trying to build. Make this speed 3x. Change this duration to 30 seconds and click Finish. If you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.